Hey guys, today we're going to be changing out the original spark plugs on a 2018 XP4 Turbo to NGK Iridium spark plugs. Going to want to start by taking off the bed cover for the engine. Remove the coil packs. They just pull out. It's pretty simple. Don't want to kink the wires, just set them to the side. Get your wrench, remove the original spark plugs. I'll put the part number in the description below. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Reinstall the Iridium spark plugs. Torque them down. Don't go too tight. You don't want to strip it. Just snug. You'll feel it stop, and don't do it any tighter than that. Replace the coil packs. Just push them in. Make sure they're seated. Replace the bed cover, and that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See ya.